Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Today, let us solve some problems on distance formula, and then we shall discuss the area of a triangle and solve some problems related to area of a triangle. First problem: find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4, and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. Hint: area of a rhombus is equal to half of product of its diagonals. Okay, this is the question. So you have to keep in mind what the points they are given. So write down that one: given a of 3, 0, b of 4, 5, c of minus 1, 4, and d of minus 2, minus 1. So I have written rhombus, a rough diagram. You can see here AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. When you take AC, okay, so distance formula AC, you have to take A point as x1, y1, C point as x2, y2. When you take diagonal BD, then you have to take B point as x1, y1, D point as x2, y2. So area of rhombus, consider area of rhombus is equals to half of product of its diagonals. That is equals to half of AC into BD. That is equals to half of square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square into square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So you now consider AC. So when you consider AC, A point as x1, y1 and C point as x2, y2. So x1 is 3, x2 is minus 1, y1 0, y2 is 4. Now substitute that one. So 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Now when you consider BD diagonal, square root of x1 is 4, x2 is minus 2, y1 is 5, y2 is minus 1. Okay, so 4 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1 whole square. That is equals to half of square root of 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 minus 4 whole square into square root of 4 minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 whole square. That is equals to half of square root of, so 3 plus 1 whole square is 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square into square root of 4 plus 2 is 6 whole square plus 5 plus 1 is 6 whole square. That is equals to half of square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 whole square means again 16. Minus becomes plus, minus into minus, that is plus, okay, into square root of 6 square is 36 plus 6 square is 36. That is equals to half of square root of 16 plus 16, 32 into square root of 36 plus 36 is 72. That is equals to, again you can split square root of 32 as 16 into 2 and square root of 72 as 36 into 2. Square root of 36 into 2, that is equals to half of square root of 16 is 4 root 2, square root of 36 is 6 root 2. That is equals to half of 4 6 are 24. Root 2 into root 2 is square root 4. Okay, so square root of 4, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 24 root 4. So here 2 and 24 we can cancel by 2. 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 12, square root of 4 is 2. 12 into 2, 24 square units. So square root 2 into square root 2 means you have to write square root of 2 into 2, square root of 4, that is equals to 2. Okay, so area of rhombus is equals to 24 square units. Okay, so like this you have to apply the distance formula for AC diagonal and distance formula for BD diagonal. So when you consider AC, A point as x1, y1 you have to consider, C point as x2, y2. When you consider BD diagonal, B point as x1, y1, D point as x2, y2, then you substitute clearly, you will get the answer. Okay, so area of the rhombus. Next, area of a triangle. So area of a triangle ABC, you have to keep in mind the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half of, within square brackets, x1 within common brackets y2 minus y3 plus x2 within common brackets y3 minus y1 plus x3 within common brackets y1 minus y2, then close square bracket. Okay, so area of the triangle ABC is equals to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, or half of within square brackets x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the area formula to find area of a triangle. Note, if area of a triangle comes out to be negative, we take it as positive value, since area will not be negative. So area should always be taken as positive because it will not be negative. Suppose while calculating any area of a triangle, if you get minus 34 units, square units means, then you detect as plus 34 square units. Okay, because area will never be negative. Next one, if area of a triangle is 0, then the vertices will be collinear. So if the vertices are collinear means, then we can take the area of a triangle as 0. This will be helpful to find the value of the k. Okay, next, to find the area of a polygon, we divide it into two triangular regions. To find the area of a polygon, we divide it into two triangular regions. Then we have to add the area of the triangles. Okay. Next, first we shall consider one problem. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. So given here A is A of 1, minus 1, B of minus 4, 6, C of minus 3, minus 5. So here x1, y1 is 1, minus 1. x2 is minus 4, y2 is 6. x3 is minus 3, y3 is minus 5. Now we know that area of a triangle ABC is equals to half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. That is equals to half of, substitute the values of x1, 1, y2, 6, y3, minus 5, x2, minus 4, y3, minus 5, y1, minus 1, x3, minus 3, y1, minus 1, y2, 6. Now you simplify. Half into 1 of 6, minus of minus plus 5, 6 plus 5, plus into minus minus 4, minus 5, plus minus into minus plus 1, so minus 5 plus 1. Next plus into minus minus 3 is, that is minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. So that is equals to half of 1 into 6 plus 5, 11. Minus 4 keep as it is. Minus 1 plus minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 7. So that you that becomes what? Next step you will do that one. Okay, that is equals to half into 1 into 11, 11. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus 3 7s are 21. So now you add all the three, 11 plus 16 plus 21, that is equals to 48. Okay, so that is equals to half of 48. You can simplify now. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 24. 24 into 1, 24. So area of the triangle ABC is equals to 24 square units. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. By substituting x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, you have to clearly substitute. You should not get confused. You should clearly substitute. Don't get confusion. You should clearly substitute the value of x1, y1 coordinate, x2 coordinate, y2 coordinate, x3 coordinate, y3 coordinate. Okay. So now let us consider the other problem. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. So you have a written rough diagram. ABC, they may ask ABC a triangle or PQR. You can take anything. PQR triangle, ABC, okay, like that. So given A of 2, 3, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, minus 1, 0, C, 2, minus 4, that is x3, y3. So here x1 value, x1 coordinate is 2, y1 coordinate is 3, x2 coordinate minus 1, y2 coordinate 0, x3 coordinate 2, y3 coordinate minus 4. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half of square root within square brackets x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So area of triangle ABC is equals to half of within square brackets x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values. X1 2, y2 0, y3 minus 4. x2 minus 1, y3 minus 4, y1 3. x3 2, y1 3, y2 0. Now simplify. That is equals to half of 2 into 0 minus of minus 4 means plus 4, 0 plus 4, plus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 2, 3 minus 0, 3. That is equals to half of 2 into 0 plus 4, 4 plus minus into minus plus 1 7 is 7 plus 2 3 is 6. That is equals to 1 by 2 of 2 4 is 8 plus 7 plus 6. That is equals to 1 by 2 of. So 8 plus 7 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 6, 21. That is 21 by 2 square units. Next problem. Find the value of k for which the points 7, minus 2, 5, 1, 3, k are collinear. We know that if the three vertices are collinear, then the area of a triangle is 0. So area of triangle, write down first formula, half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So that is equal to half of x1 is 7, y2 is 1, y3 is k, x2 is 5, y3 is k, y1 is minus 2, x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2, y2 is minus 1, y2 is 1. So now you substitute, that is equal to half of 7 of 1 minus k plus 5 of k of k minus of minus plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So that is equal to 7 of 7 minus 7 into 1 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 5 to 10 minus plus into minus 3 3 is 9. So that is equal to half of 7. Here minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k plus 10 minus 9 plus 1. That is equal to half of 7 plus 1 8 minus 2k. Okay. So that is equals to, you can take 2 common factor 1 by 2 into 2 of 4 minus k. That is equals to 4 minus k. Since the points are collinear, the area of triangle is equals to 0. So 4 minus 6 is equals to 0. 4 is equals to k. Transpose minus k that side, it becomes plus k. Therefore k equals 4. So therefore the value of k is 4. Next problem. Find the value of k if the points a of 2, 3, b of 4, k and c and the 6 minus 3 are collinear. That is here they are given a point, b of 4, k and c of 6, minus 3. Okay, c I have to write c there. C of 6, minus 3. Okay, suppose they don't give me, so you can keep a, b, c. You can name it as coordinates a, b, c. Okay, so here given a of 2, 3, b of 4, k and c of 6, minus 3. So area of triangle is equals to half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So that is equals to half of. So x1 is equals to 2, y2 k, y3 minus 3, x2 4, y3 minus 3, y1 3, x3 6, y1 3, y2 k. So that is equals to half of 2 into, so k within brackets k minus of minus plus 3 plus 4 within common brackets minus 3 minus 6 plus 6 within common brackets 3 minus k. So that is equals to half of 2k plus 2 3 is 6 plus into minus 6 4 24 plus 6 3 is 18 plus into minus 6k. So now if you simplify, half of 2k minus 6k means minus 4k, 6 plus 18 24 minus 24, it get cancelled. So you will get 1 by 2 of minus 4k. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, you will get minus 2k. Since the vertices are collinear, the area of triangle is equals to, area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. So you can take minus 2k is equals to 0. K is equals to 0 divided by minus 2. Therefore k equals 0. So we got the value k is equals to 0. So now in this class we discussed about the main thing, area of how to solve the area of the rhombus using formula product of its diagonals. Area of rhombus equals half into product of its diagonals. So here we use distance formula. Okay, then afterwards we discussed about the area of a triangle and we have solved the problems on area of triangle. Okay, and also we have solved the value of k when the vertices are collinear. Okay students, I think you understood in this class. Okay, so I think you understood. Solve the homework problems. Okay, thank you.